Hello there, and this is a tutorial. First, let's start with the speeder. This is the speeder. This is the front. The control panel are one of those. This is the engines. You have this. That is the above. That is the below. And that's it for the speeder. Now for the tank. That is one piece. That is another piece. You have two of those. This is one of the front pylons. That is the middle section. You have two of those on each side. That is the control panel. With two of these 1x2 red flat pieces. You got this 1x1, a 1x1 slope, 1x1 with holes, 4 of those, another slope, a red piece, two more with of those black slopes, and then an angle piece to the pylons, the flaps, 3 of those, a 1x6, 1x6 over here, no, a 1x3, another one of those, a red 1x2 flat, one of these black, a hinge piece, two 1x1 stud pieces, a 1x3, one of those, a 1x6, 3x3, two over there, a 6x6 flat. And that is the tank. And that was it for the tutorial of the alternative build of two of the 751 V2. And that's it.